And it goes a little something like.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Allison, and I'm here at the American Girl San Francisco meetup with all of these lovelies. Do you just want to go around and say your name or your Instagram handle? Sure. Here. Oh. I got the mic. Hold the mic somewhat close to you. I'll hold the mic for you. Okay.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm literally pictures on Instagram or Walmart Jenny Humphrey on TikTok.
Hi, I'm Nelly. I'm my Dollstagram Adventures on Instagram.
Hi, I'm Bray, and I'm Blue Butterfly AG on Instagram.
Hi, I'm Des. I'm Once Upon an American Girl on IG and YouTube, and Princess Bastonita on TikTok.
I love that. And we have bystanders. You guys want to come in? You're more than welcome to.
Hi, I'm at American Girl Alley on Instagram.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm Daydream Dollies on Instagram.
Hi, I'm Hope, and I'm Stay Happy Studios on Instagram. Amazing! Oh my gosh. I think we just want to do like a collective unboxing because all of us got Corinne, and we're super hyped about it. So let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna open mine. You guys can open yours. Figure it out. You get 4 points of view. Her book. I'm so excited to read her book.
Yeah.
Honestly, because I've seen some snippets and they look great.
She's so cute.
What? We don't have scissors.
Honestly, they kind of come off like that.
I just pulled extra hard.
Yeah, unless they changed it.
Not force.
I should draw it easily.
Amazing. Okay.
She's a murderer.
Here we go.
Mine's in my car, but I'm so excited to look at her.
She's here in spirit.
Here in spirit, she's just scared of shine marks. That's what she's scared of.
That's mine, right here.
I can do close up to where I want to do like 4 I really like
A collective hair demo.
Okay. So I'm gonna have this focus, but I was like, it'd be really satisfying for us to collectively take her hair nets off. So yeah. It's always a skill.
Okay.
In unison. Okay, mine's hair is
Oh no!
If you pull it at the ends, I think it should be fine. Yeah, just pull it until you find it.
Alternatively, you can just take her to the salon.
Yeah.
Like her hair is
Fresh out of the box. Can I get a free?
Here she is. We spent a couple seconds picking out hers for her face paint. Here's a closer look. I love her new face paint. I don't know if I'm gonna repaint it yet. That's a good maybe. Haven't decided. Do you want close-ups above all of them? I don't know. Do we see any variation in all of them? It's so funny seeing them in the viewfinder.
Some of them have more rounder faces than the others. Yeah.
Do you guys actually see variation?
Yeah. I was looking at some of the eyebrows. There's like facial faces who are more rounded. Yeah.
And I did see some people say that some of the upper lips on other ones are like thinner.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's
Maybe we can
variation in the
stand them up and I can do like a close-up of that because that's really interesting. Anyways, oh yeah, here's the back of her hair.
Mine's
Here's
wig
her
is just like having some
Yeah, I heard the whole bottom layer is blue
Yeah, I think
and
the underside is blue and then the whole top side is black.
But you have it like coming out from the very top too.
Hers is soft.
It's really soft.
It's really
It felt kind of plasticky on the display dolls, but it's really soft.
It's really
The
soft.
braids are really pretty. Alright, so we noticed some variation in each of the dolls, so I just wanted to show you ours kind of in a row. This one is mine.
I'm really excited to see this project come to life.
Yours. Last one. So I don't know if you guys can see the variation, but there is slight ones. Obviously, they're all incredibly adorable. So if you don't get to pick out your own, that is totally fine. But here they are. And just a closer look at the meat outfit. We have the sweater. The leggings are like holographic. And then we have the adorable snow boots. And here is everybody's at the meetups. They're so cute. My Corinne is on the very left with her meet outfit right next to each other. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was interesting. It was a little bit different than what I normally do. I hope you guys have a great, happy new year, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!